Hey Vietnam khopui Hanoi an hotel chuan vor ber Grand Plaza 5-star hotel a hian emtekin eng special award chi angem in hlan tak hi Mizokar Bazar YouTube channel clear tu te in Zavain Vietnam ram matangin chibai levek kule hei voin hi Lucy teram Vietnam ma kani khat hun man na tur ani dona anni hi an khopui pakhat jok tu findiat kam Danang city a cheng an nia tuna hian an khopui berzok Hanoi city ya kanom me kani dar kwa hian MTech distributor meet kan nei dona he kan thlenna Grand Plaza hotel a tho hian safari room an nei chuta chuan meeting kan nei dona ni chumi hnuwa chuan Ho Chi Minh nan ti mai nin ka hria Hanoi city a tourist attraction pui bermai an king lo kho sak thin to na mun le Hanoi city tour te kan nei pui le don chewa kan video te top thlei mi lo thle sak le theu don nia ti chuan MTech dealer mi thi dar ko kan nei don wangin hotel a hian breakfast daria da kan enga ya breakfast kan deina tur hun hi an zau hem khopa heng lai an dining hall velani ram chi sang gas an nei thina wangin khang ho ei tur chi sang kha ta hianin breakfast an lo da chuak sa thina Chinese food te Thai food te Indian food te a tam mai khaten chi sang kha an mi khwal ten du tok le tlai takan ei thei turin an lo chop chhuar reng ngai don ti na ni hi a mun hi an zau rem mai sia fan fe thama don ni tur chi sang han lakwal vel tur ko hian tin ke tak phei chuan ei tur hi engenge ni poi ka hre thiam ve chi lawa a chi hi tam khop maya a thei angin kan lakwalanga hre thiam so ka chuan in lo soi fia thei tur a po ngai tai la hei heng lai sa chi sang ania hi Indian food ani mai thei hei tlamri sanga te bong sa te le thil chi sang tlama hianin Chinese so ei chi ho thil deuh alo om vele boka a zau khop mai kan kalkwal zel chinanga engenge ni tia soi fia tur pon enge ni hi ka hrehlom lowa heng la hianin plain rice ti vel te om ve hi kan ei thiam chi zong deuh hlek ani hmela tin ke hi van nei siamin ei tu chi sang han try vel le han explore vel hi har sapna ka nei lowa ka ei sak thei zela Indian food ania mo Thai food ania mo engpo ni se ka ti ve thei zel mai ti chuan breakfast pur peng pong kan ei zo to hnu chuan hei ka kor hak tur MTech company lamin an lo bo sai sa thak maya ti hian meeting turin kan in bo sai to don ni tama hian kamakhia distributor nei tu pa ku bikas apo puar khop mai tu kin sing chu ti chuan distributor mit chu kan chanta awat ngai hlut om zet mai indiram kil khora train kan dong ve ania
and we feel that we should give this award to ye award isliye I'm declaring the name. The award is for Mr. Hlauh for in Mizoram for Mizokar Bazar. Mizokar Bazar is in northeast region of India. There are 7 states in northeast region and very difficult terrain. So वहाँ पे Hlauh is doing like spreading and promoting our brand, our product on a very good level. Though the market is not very big, but his efforts are limitless. He is doing his all-out efforts by digital marketing, by regular marketing, and he is spreading this brand. MTech, we never thought that we will reach so far, but it is Mr. Hlauh बहुत अच्छा काम मिजोरम में किया है. So then this award is a special award for promoting our brand in northeast region of India.
Mizokar Bazar, Mr. Hlauh.
heng phulo choi moina ro pui tak ka don hi Mizokar Bazar noya MTech dealer ni zong tele Mizokar Bazar YouTube channel subscriber te tan ka hlane MTech tel chenai lian hem khop me he an 5-star hotel ni Grand Plaza Hanoi tinia chuan thai kan bus mi long hak le mek boka chuan MTech ho rồi hiện temple hun sang vel to turin kan kaldon me kani hotel train when the first day ani a Hanoi a naktu ka Hanoi city a hian ti tur kan la nei le a atuk le a kum som chung Facebook ka thian rin nom tak lo ni to Lucy te khwa Danang city a thona mangin kan kal le don ani Lucy ne na kanin huna hun tur ni po anai zela an mani ram nge ya an mi le sa thian rin nom tak kan nei ringot mai po hi amak ang reng khop maya tin ka thopui te kan rilpo hian makan ti khop maya kum som nuwa atakin kan in hovele tur chu ka phur to in movie te po ang rum mai donin ka sia Lucy teram Vietnam hi kalau suang tu dan chuan lo nei mi te om tam na mun hring nuam tak tak ani don mo kalau tia mase ani mi alo kabe sei ain danang city phei hi chu lo changkangin modern city kan tiang hi ani dai maya tourism a an lo tha mai boxia tin anram mi le sa te reng hi mizo mel ni om deu hliran ni mai le hala kan choi du zong lain ang si tuma hian Indian kan an ring lova an mani tongi min lo bezela an bit beng le an chazia vel thrim hian min hi pin mi khwal lo rewa in thena te po hi kan nei rum mai don ti hian kan thlenna hotel atangin an tourist attraction hun pui Ho Chi Minh lam chu kan pan phei me ka chumi zo chuan city tour video in ron chun zom le ang
and Ho Chi Minh became president also in 1945. But France colonials don't want to leave Vietnam. So Ho Chi Minh is a person, guy, leave Vietnamese to against France for 9 years. After 9 years, we win and France left. Ho Chi Minh like our first hero. We're very proud of Ho Chi Minh. Yes, everyone here, even the very small kid, they say love Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, Ho Chi Minh like the symbol of freedom.
okay
And Ho Chi Minh very normal president. He never take jackets. He never take vest. He only take a normal clothes like you, like me. The first president, but also very simple president. He even no wife, no children. He stay here alone. No family here. Yeah, he spent whole life.
How old was he when he died?
79 years old. So right now we will go to see the house where Ho Chi Minh lived.
Yes.
He lived here 15 years.
all right
Because at that years, France colonial set up Hanoi is the center of 3 countries: Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia. 3 countries. So we call 3 countries is Indochina. And here is the head office of Indochina. So they also together build with opera house, 5-star hotel, railway streets, everything, bridge. Even right now we still use the railway from France colonial from 1901. So it's quite famous and a lot of people ask me about that place because we have a coffee shop around the railway. Do you see on Instagram or Facebook about us?
yes
I hope today we have time I will take you past the railway street.
okay
Yeah. All structure around here is the government office until right now. Even France colonial left Vietnam from 1954. But we don't destroy anything. We still use as a government office building. And behind you is a yellow building, very big, right? That is the center, the head office of Communist Party. Communist Party, Parliament, and the army, police, all the building around here is government office building. No local people living around here. The center of Vietnam, the symbol of communist power is that place. And even right now, you see a lot of Vietnamese people. When we have free time, we want to come to see Ho Chi Minh. So Ho Chi Minh lived here for 15 years. When he died, we don't bury him. We keep him, we preserve the body until right now. Even we don't have the special place to preserve. We have to keep him in a mountain area for 5 years. So when we finish the war with America, 1975, we moved the body to this area because at that time we don't worry about anyone can destroy our president body anymore. Normally we have VIP guests like president from other country. When they come to Vietnam, we will have special meeting in that building. So that building was built together with other yellow building, France architecture from 1901.
Still remember?
You see three cars, right? The big one Ho Chi Minh used for long trip, more than 100 kilometers. So all the small cars he used for very short trip or other city. And you see one more other house, he lived 11 years.
Okay. Rose, Hanoi is like north,
Yes.
right? And war with south. This south was going on. Hanoi was safe or war here also?
So you see they've been fighting in the middle
In the middle.
more than half. Sometimes they can cross the middle, they throw bomb in here. Destroy city. You can see this tree is very special. We call it Buddha tree because the root of the tree look like the Buddha statue. So it's a Ho Chi Minh, a very simple man. When he have free time, he feed up the fish. That's mean why he have a big point here. He feed up the fish and he plant fruit tree. So he want to do like a farmer.
Ho Chi Minh live over here.
Ho Chi Minh lived here for 11 years.
Okay.
And you see that is the year we built this building.
All right.
And Ho Chi Minh birthday is 19 May. Yeah, that's building for celebration birthday for Ho Chi Minh. So we have
19
two floors. 19 May is the birthday of Ho Chi Minh.
Oh, but this is 17th, huh? 17th.
Yeah, yeah. Like a gift for him.
हाँ बर्थडे चारी 2 दिवस तयार केली.
Ho Chi Minh, when he lived in the mountain area for to prepare the war with France, he lived in this kind of house
Okay.
with the ethnic minorities, with the name Thai ethnic minorities. So that group support him, food, transfer information for him. So he hidden in the mountain area. He lived in the cave. So when he finished 9 war with France colonial, when he come back here to be president, he remind about that time, very hard time. And he also missed the people who support him at that place. That's mean why he built the house like the structure of ethnic minorities. In the second floor, we have private working room and bedroom. Very romantic place.
But he was alone.
Why Ho Chi Minh does it mean anything? Ho Chi Minh, is it a
Ho
common?
Chi Minh is a name, is a new name.
I have seen like Chi in between.
Why needs romantic if he's single, na?
AC is on, we go inside.
See, if he's single, why needs for romantic?
Yeah.
No use of romantic place.
Self gratification.
Tôiจะsang sang là zor level đi level là hen gì ta so an traditional chứ môi là sang sang tên là zor level mấy cả xung đột nó muốn nói tới về ha zel bao cái này tôi respond tầm khóc mấy vấn hi Independence Day này anh tan chọn in mi anh tầm vắc lâu à có tual mi huyền xin đậu phép cái này tôi sâu đậu sốc vẫn ở mình về thằng lại về lại nha xong rồi sắp couple tậpกันหัวtậpกันหัวChina building kan hup khat khani ai so nung lama kan let ve thung china ni pak lama kan let le a train hi thom chi sang sang Vietnam ho thom noin bel du chi vet te ngem don ni lukhum te tourist hol le du tur si bazar no da ve mek bakani ta hen
A Buddhist, sitting on a lotus flower and hold a baby on hand, give to him. Before the dream, he don't have son. After dream, he have baby, son baby. So he think maybe the God, the Buddhist God, give him the baby. That means why he try to build this pagoda, this right. So right now, almost Vietnamese people, we come here to pray for son's baby. Anyone want to have son? You can pray here.
Parta na tung trai mun tur ni chu bas som nan ton thainan te no te ni thainan te tung trai tur ran te tung trai na mun ni chu buddhism ani chu
नदी में 5 लाख दे दो
khati chin ka ho chimin kan tlo theina video chuan ni le phot se pon lam hai kan chuak to do na kan motor mi lo ngak le ba sa kan lut lenga ti chuan chu mi hnu chuan in tourist san phur kwal thin na chi motora minan phur kwal velenga city tour kan nei vele do ni hi hetiang hian kan chet lat na vel kha video in kalo cover zelanga ti chuan 4K in I thut hunai lo thlir ve theinan karon chop chua sak don che ti chuan I thut huna 4K video quality in Vietnam mi lo phang ve mai ti na ni don di
Cloth, fish, paper, silver, one product will be sold on one street. That is traditional. So right now we just only keep maximum 7 streets traditional. Others they do business with other products. So for 30 minutes on the electricity car, you will see how Old Town how they run the business. 30 minutes only.
Okay.
tuna chuan electric motor hmangin khopui chung kan an fangkwal vel dona hetlai motor ding ho hi heng mang hianin customer tam takte tin tourist tam takte khopui fanpui nan an mang thina tuna pohe motor paruk lai mekanin zui dona chui mang chuan khopui kan an fangkwal vel dona ni hi chuan chaw kan ai zo le to a cho chun hotel lama kan le to ni mai thei kan le me ka tlamai dor pakhat ma chen dan du ta mo ni na ve sin tang hi ke se lo lo thei chi sang sang mo ni man sang sang e vel sa te an thei song bol dan ve tu mai du e cha kom thei khop mai an watermelon te thum na samai sian grape te hian fresh fruit market ni vele thungai he te lam khong te apple te tam mai ti chuan kan hotel po kan thleng leta kan hotel hi an lian hem khopa akota poen bus tam takaling ani hei pui ve tak kan 5 star hotel thaber ani antia atak taka niam phei chu ka shelowa mase kan tour guide te soi ani ya apui ve khop mai hei ti hian hotel a hian kan lu tanga chumi hnuwa kan intify in kan che dai velanga chumi hnuwa chuan award la zong te tan zanin hian party ro puide mai siam sakmin tu mani oma DJ le silent sar te po karon nenge antia a ron ti puyan tum mel khop mai tin a thatok chin nia ka ngai te po ron ti lan kan tum velon nia dinner tuin hai tak nen lam kan an thai vel don ani ome zanina kan DJ mei chia nia mase ne so reu maya a crowd te zirle engnam nge ni engram tang local ngen ni tia tang khan an music duo mangte ka an play saka amero chu kan pute waran tal tak tak mai chu DJ berpon ti tur she tolo phone khoi ta vel mai ni pui tak ani pui tak mase a hlim omina nuam phian ve box ya balle ve phot mai ang o khati chin kha Vietnam Ho Chi Minh kan to na le city tour kan nei na video chu han ni le phot mai se khang distributor mi ta choi moi na ro pui tak ka don te khan credit note cheng noi ni zet me keng tel le nga la kalom tak zet ani khang zong kha du sak taka kan channel min subscribe sak tu tele Mizoram hun sang mtek min zor chhon sak tu tele product min le sak thin tu te wang chawa choi moi na dong thei kan ni miau awangin in zawai chunga ka thin lung takin lom thu ka soya he award po hi in tan ka hlane next video a chuan mau manga kut thiam na chi sang Vietnamin na local pui dan ron en tir cheu ka tumanga chumi video zo a chuan kumsom chung te meu mail in humi alowa thian ring nom tak Facebook kal tanga kalo nei Vietnamese nula Lucy te khwa Vietnam khu pui pakhat jok Danang City to turin Hanoi kan chua san to dona Lucy nen po kan vain mutange do ne kan video te in lo chang le theu don nia kan channel te thain tia remin ti le khongai milo subscribe sak ve ula intan video tharne kan lo let le thu ayang in zawain mang tha mutui le vek ule